right, welcome to the Turtle Kingdom. One of the Gold Stacks 88 games, and wow, on my first spin I won like 20 bucks, and on the second spin I got the bonus at $1.76. I just had $20 ticket left over from another game, and I just plopped down here, and let's see what we're gonna get here. So 8 free games, and the expanding guy turns into a sticky wild reel and awards an extra free game. So wow, if we could get those guys. Whew. Here we go. Come on, land the sticky wild. Oh, that's nothing. There he is. Oh, he's gonna stay the rest of the bonus. All right, maybe we can get his friends. Come on, a star? Star. Oh, we needed the guy. Also, anytime the coins can come tumbling down. All right, give me the other 2 friends. Give me the other 2. Get him. Oh, nope. Come on, get the guy. Get the guy. There he is. Ooh, now we just need the middle one. We just need the middle one. Come on, get him. Get the... Oh, he went on by. Darn it. 10s. They're up to 10 bucks. We've got a few more spins. Get the middle one. Ooh, red thing. Okay. Nice. It's about $38. La 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 la. Come on, get the wild in the middle. Get up. Oh. Come on, we need to land him. Middle guy. Okay. Now we're going over $50. We have one more spin. Maybe we can get him. $60. All right, last spin, and let's... Oh no, we're gonna get a jackpot. All right, there they are. Which one will it be? Oh, we got one of each thing, and we got one more of each thing. Okay, whatever this is will be the prize. Oh, what a shock. All right, that's another $20. Thank you. All right, we still have a spin left. All right, this takes forever. Here we go. Come on, land him. Land him! Seahorse! Okay. About $5 more. Nice bonus. And really, like I said, it's the second spin. Just like that, I've gone from $20 up to $123.93. $100 in 2 spins. All right, I will be back with more Turtle Kingdom, I hope. Stay tuned. Wow, just a couple of spins after the bonus, I got another jackpot feature. So let's see what we've got here. I get an orange juice, no ice. Thank you. Ooh, another one. This is it. Grand. Oh. $20 and a penny.
Mini jackpot winner.
Thank you for the mini. It's okay. Someday, maybe I'll get that major green. All right, the ticket's up even higher. Let's keep on going. Stay tuned for more Turtle Kingdom. Okay, I'm playing Lightning Dragon. Eastern Storm is the version. Thunder Festival's right next door. And I surprised the heck out of me. I guess that was a free spin bonus symbol there. So today I won 5 free games. $2.50 bet. I'm on dime denomination, and I'm about to press spin. Here we go. I have no idea what I can get in these free games. $2X. Okay. 2X of what? The Dragon's Wild. I guess the Dragon's 2X? Positions with lightning multiply. Come on, I guess I need those lightning orbs. Okay, there's some dragons, but only the king flying up, I think. Only 2 more free games. I need to win something big here. It's not too bad. I got the kings all the way across. Come on, lightning dragon. Games. Come on, do something fun. There's some dragons. Oh, got a bunch of them. Darn it, I wish that lightning orb thing wasn't in the way. Alright, here comes the last spin. Alright, dragon, do something amazing. Oh, more. Oh, I needed 4 of them. I got 3. Oh, man. All right, $67 in the bonus. I'm up to $162 on my ticket. Let's see if I can keep going and bring you back some more winning fun on Lightning Dragon Eastern Storm. All right, Lightning Dragon, and I landed the feature. Okay, I don't know what's happening, so it just says press spin button. $2.50 bet, still on dimes. Here we go. Oh, boosted. Okay. Any lightning orb resets the game, so this is like a hold and spin. But I've got. Oh, that multiplied. That's $75. Let's get some more of that. Uh-oh. Come on, there's plenty of room up there. All right. Yes, for dimes. Those multiplier squares. $10. Keep them coming. Oh, we got a multiplier, $20. There's still 2 of them left with 3x. Come on, baby, get them. 3x. Oh, we got it. Oh, it's a chintzy one though. All right, 3 more spins. 1 more multiplier square. Okay, $12.50. I'm starting to like this game. Come on now, 2 spins. Uh-oh, last spin. I need to catch a lightning ball. Come on, baby. Yes! $15. All right, we've used up all the multipliers, so let's just go ahead and fill in the rest. $12.50. All right, last one. Come on, give me one. Save the bonus. Oh, it teased me with the mini. Oh, you're angry. I took your money. All right. Thank you, Lightning Dragon. My few wins of the trip over here at the Cosmopolitan. All right, so I already was ahead in the game, and now I'm up to $342. So I'm gonna press on. Dimes are paying off. Hopefully, I get another bonus. Stay tuned for more winning on Lightning Dragon. All right, a Turtle Kingdom Tower here at the Cosmopolitan, and I just landed a 5-symbol bonus on $1.76. So we get $44 on the bonus symbols, the Kongs, and then the jacks pay a little bit. But then we're gonna get to play this tower up here. My first bonus ever in this, so I mean, I've played Turtle Kingdom before. I don't know what to expect from the big board, so we'll find out. Nice to have $44. All right. Wheel feature 1. on. Press spin to start the wheel feature. Okay. There's the big board. All right, press and spin. Here we go. Spinning fortunes. It's filing its lawsuit right now. Come on, baby. 7 free games with 1 wild guy. I'm not happy with that. That was kind of stinky. I hope I get a jackpot feature. Oh, we got the wild guy there. Oh, a free game? Thank you. Do you stick? If he sticks for the rest of the bonus, I'm happy with that. He does. Give me that third guy. Alright, we have 4 more games. Alright, I need turtle, turtle, turtle. Give me the third bonus guy. Oh, what a miss. I want the other bonus guy. La 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 la. Come on. Bonus symbol. I mean bonus symbol. I mean wild. Come on. Church chest. Oh, I need that wild guy. Darn it. Last spin. Seahorse or wild guy? Oh, he's right there. Can you believe that? Alright. Not too bad. Most of it was in that $44 win on the opening screen, so the bonus was about $24. Okay, well, I'm ahead from what I started with, or basically about even, so I will hopefully get another bonus and be back. I'd like another shot at that tower. Stay tuned for more. Hey, Turtle Kingdom Tower, bonus number 2. I did get a jackpot feature, got the mini for 20 bucks. A couple other line hits. But it's been wearing me down from my $80-something that I had. So let's get something amazing on this wheel feature. Come on, baby. What have you got up there, big board? Something amazing. Oh, no. 7 games, but the guy's on the back this time. I hope I get the wilds up front real quick. Extra games. Expanding guy. Oh no, this is going to be tough. There he is. Okay, now things have improved. Extra game. Can we get the middle one? Come on, middle. Oh, I saw him fly by. Come on, expanding guy. Oh, we got the... What is that thing? A tree? Alright, we have 4 more games. Boy, we need that middle expanding guy. Please get me in on the next spin. All right, here we go. Get the guy. Oh, the turtle. Expanding guy. Oh, nothing? Oh, this is what I was worried about. Please get the wild guy. Seahorse? Oh, rats. It's 20 bucks. I don't know how much a full screen would have been. Last spin. Get me the expanding guy for an extra spin. Nothing. Aces, queens. Alright. 36-32. Alright, well, hey, it was another bonus. I'm hanging around. Maybe I'll get another one. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm playing Lightning Dragon. This is the Thunder Festival version. It's the Eastern Storm. I played that earlier and had some fun on it. And now I've got a bonus on Thunder Festival. And let's see. $2.50 bet. 5 free games. Let's see what's in store here. 2 more. Oh, I got some things to line up with that dragon. Alright, I need 4 of those orbs for the other feature. Oh, re-triggered. Nice. dragons all the way. Two more, two. Oh. Now where are they? Darn it. Need 4 of those lightning balls. All right, we're at $13. We have 6 free games. Get that dragon all the way. There's some dragons. Oh my gosh, what happened? He expanded. Wow. Maybe that's what's different, because I think on the other one, there's a multiplier. I wish that lightning ball wasn't in there. That blocks some of my pay lines. Still counting up. Thank you. All right, 173. Let's do it again, baby. Oh, thanks for that. There's 3 of them there in the corner. All right, we've got 2 more games. Two more games. Let's get the lightning feature. One. All right, we got 2 dragons that time. Okay, we've got 1 more spin. Come on, lightning dragon. Oh, 3. Hey, that was a nice bonus. $186.10. I'm now to 273. All right, I will be back with more fun on Lightning Dragon. What do you think of these games? Have you tried it yet? There's, like I said, Eastern Storm and Thunder Festival. I'll be back with more winning on them, I hope. Matt Bailey plays the slots.